I want to take you for a walkthrough on the back end of this program. This is a big investment and a leap of faith. And so I want you to know as much about this program as you can. Of course, when you purchase this program, we expect results for our clients. We expect administrative and marketing support. We've added a lot into our programs in the way of physician approval and beautiful presentation. But beneath it all, what we're expecting for ourselves, or what you're expecting, should be a return on investment. Purchasing a program, of course, for reuse should not be considered an expense so much as an investment. You should expect to have an initial cost for the program, but then you should have a reasonable expectation for a return on that investment in the way of sales. So you should do this by projecting sales and then by actually putting many people and or groups of people into the program. For a health practitioner, that is a cost of goods sold. Once you have covered the costs of the program, there is no cost of goods, and sales of the program are 100% profit. That's why program sales are a good business model for health practitioner. That's one of the reasons that this is a solid and affordable health solution for your customer. You don't have to overcharge for something that you have no cost to administer. It's a win-win for everyone. Now I'm going to show you the back end. We'll go into the membership site on our site, and you'll get to see exactly what you'll be receiving once you purchase this program. And one other thing, if you would like to know how to charge for the program, if you go down to the FAQs, there is a point where you can click on the FAQs, and there is a rates that you can click on to see what a reasonable expectation for charging for the program might be. This program is one of our most loved programs. Number one, because it can be used to not only help a lot of people to get healthy quickly, but also to introduce people to your services and move them up to larger programs. So a lot of our clients use this program to run their clients through 12 days and then move them into something like a natural health immersion subscription program that goes on for years. This program has been used by thousands of our health professionals and is used by a lot of people that even start out scared of detoxes. And this is a healthy program. It allows your clients to eat as much as they want until they get full of healthy foods. And it's fun. It can be used individually or in groups. There's a lot of self-care involved. There is daily visualization. There is, I'll show you the, what you're looking at right now is the membership site, the 12-day detox. And the first thing you'll see is the about your program. Taking you in from the back side now. And this is our membership site and where you access your programs after you buy them. So you go into about your program and you'll see an 1-hour video on how to run your 12-day detox and some tips. And then you'll get some other information about delivery and about marketing and about health coaching and about how to price your programs. So this is all some valuable information that you can watch at your leisure. The information on the left, first thing you want to do is sign up for participation. And I think that this is the most valuable thing you can do. Just click on this participation on the menu, and it signs you up to go through the program like you're a customer. And so you'll go through our membership site and you'll get to see it from the customer's viewpoint. And it makes it a lot easier to run the program if you can see how it's run from their side and from their vantage point. So it gives you a different viewpoint and makes it easier for you. Then if you click on the deliverables, then it gives you all of the modules and the workbooks and everything else that you will be delivering to your clients. There's a prepare module that tells them what to do to get ready to participate in your detox. There's recipes, there's daily materials, there's bonus materials. And then we also, this was our very first program that we included a workshop with it. And the workshop is fun. It's something that you can do as a lunch and learn. You can do it as a webinar. You can do it down at your local Whole Foods market to people live, and we give you materials for that. We give you presentation materials. It's a really nice presentation, a PowerPoint presentation that you can do live. We give you materials to hand out to your customers. We give you administrative materials where you can collect names and phone numbers and start building your list. We give you marketing, posters and things to get people to come to your workshop. And so it's a really nice full workshop that you get along with your program. We also give you a sequence to sell your 12-day detox after the workshop too. So you've got marketing materials within that. We have, with all of our programs, developed by our dietitian, protocol of supplements, and you can choose to use that or not. And it is usable by health coaches because it's for the general public. We've got disclaimers within all of our programs that say that they need to cover this with their doctors, but there's a list of supplements that they may or may not choose to take along with the detox. And there's a list of supplements. Full Script is the company that we partner with on this, but there's a list of different supplements that they may or may not choose to take along with detox. Customization, we like to see you customize these programs so that they can be more personalized to you. It enhances your credibility. We show you how to customize it. If you don't want to customize it yourself, we also offer to do that for you under a separate optional offer. And then we also have a full download so that you can download that program yourself. We also on the sales page have some samples. We've got full information here on what's included day 2. You can expand this. We've got information on all of the different days. This is really, there's a lot of self-care involved in this 12-day detox. It's a fun one. I'm not saying that they don't feel bad. That's part of the detox. Probably by day 5, they're not feeling great, but by the end of the detox, their skin is clear, they're looking good, they're feeling good, and they're ready to move on. And that's one of the reasons why this program works so well, to build up from one program to another. We've got course examples that you can look at. These expand if you look at the sales page in our website. We've got a couple of different testimonials in here, and then we show in here exactly what is included for you. But I just showed you in our membership site exactly what you'll be downloading. So this is what we have. And if you have any questions, notify us at support@thehealthcoachgroup.com. We have a great support team, and we are here to help you. And this is a great program.